equals to 30 Celsius, and relative humidity is 40%, and T2 is equals to 20 Celsius, and relative humidity is 72%. We have a mass flow rate of 2 kilograms per second, and Cp of air is 1.006 kilojoules per kilogram Celsius. So we're going to solve for the Qs. So Qs is equals to mCp delta T, which is T2 minus T1. So we're gonna plug in the value. So 2 kilograms per second times 1.006 kJ kilogram Celsius times 20 minus 30. So we have a answer of negative 20.12 kilowatts. So for number 2, we have a T1 is equal to 28 Celsius, relative humidity is 55%, and T2 is equal to 15 Celsius, relative humidity is 85%, mass flow rate is 4 kilograms per second, and Cp is equal to 1.006 kilojoules per kilogram Celsius. And we have a formula of Qs is equals to mCp delta T, which is T2 minus T1. So we're gonna plug in the values. 4 kilograms per second times 1.006 kilojoules per kilogram Celsius times 28 minus 15 Celsius. So we have a answer of 52.312 kilowatts.